Hi guys, so today I've got this Sears pressure washer that the compressor isn't working anymore. Well, we'll see how it goes. I'll start here by seeing if it'll run. I'll use some magic brake clean to see if it'll help it along. There's no fuel in the tank, but prove that it runs anyway. Like a charm. And now we'll just pull this compressor off. Came off pretty easy. Now I'm going to remove the crankcase cover and pull the governor out, of course. I'll just go ahead here and drain the oil. I'm going to go ahead now and remove the crankcase cover by tapping around it, and eventually it'll come off. Alright, after some gentle tapping and prying, we've got the cover loose, and this is what's inside. Sexy. So those are the two timing marks that you have to line up. Now I'm going to go ahead and tighten these bolts up in a star pattern. Yeah, I came out and the friggin' thing was smoking dope. I can't believe it. My own neighborhood. Stoners. Hi guys, so today you're probably wondering what we're going to do with this. Well, we're going to make this pressure washer motor smoke a bowl of weed. Should be interesting. We're gonna do it by taking this can of brake clean, hooking it up to this hose, and it goes into a funnel. It actually bypasses the funnel, which is the bowl. It goes down this pipe, and I've taken the carb off. And the brake clean is what's going to be running the engine while it's smoking dope. Well guys, this is the setup today. We got carburetor, and what I'm gonna do is we got this hose here, and it goes up to a funnel which is filled with weed trimmings, and we're gonna go ahead and get my motor stoned today. smoking engine. So dude, still got some shake left, so I'm just gonna stick it right in the carburetor and see if it'll suck it right in. That'll be fun. So I did. Well, thanks for watching my stoner engine video. Guess I'll see you on the next one.